double me, double me, double me, double me, right? Welcome to stage 4 of your times table mastery challenge. Today we'll be learning a trick to multiply numbers by 11. You see these beautiful babies? Can you see them? 2 of them. Have you seen things in double before? Like a twin? You know, they always come in 2. Always come in 2s. Now, when you're multiplying a number by 11, you don't need to crack your brain. Just double the number. Double a single-digit number when multiplied by 11. Single-digit numbers start from 1, I say 1 or 0, anyway, 1 to 9. So if you have to multiply 1 by 11, just double 1 or any number between 1 to 9. And the logic is very simple, and I will show you that. 3 times 11. No cramming, no stress, just double 3. That's what? 3 and 3. That's 33. Do you know why this is possible? Let's try and do that. 11 multiplied by 3. Take it one after the other. 1 times 3. You remember, any number multiplied by 1 remains what? The same. So 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times the other one is 3. Can you see the reason why we don't have to stress ourselves? So we don't even need to bother. 11 times 3 is 33. I want you to be conscious of the fact that multiplication goes both ways. 3 times 11 is the same as 11 times 3, right? So 11 times 6. We're multiplying 6 by 11. We just double 6. That's what? 66. Same way, 6 times 11, it will also be 66. Now, there's another twist to when you're multiplying by double digits, and I will show you that. So what about 2-digit numbers like 10 to 12? Are we going to multiply? Are we going to double 10? 10 times 11, are we going to write it as 10 and 10, 10? No. So there's a simple trick to that. 10 times 11, write your 10 or just picture it in your head, right? And then separate it like I've done. Can you see? 1 and 0. So what stays in the middle will be the sum of these 2 digits. 1 plus 0, which is what? 1. You can see 10 times 11 is 110. Well, we can just add 0 to the back. That's 110. You see why you don't have to cram all of these things? Let's see this other example. I want to multiply 11 by 11. I'm interested in 11. So you just do a mental separation, like just visualize that separation in your head. Separate them, 11. Add them together, this digit, that's 1 plus 1, that gives us what? 2. 11 times 11 is 121. Should we try 12? Let me try that with you. So let's say we want to do 12 multiplied by 11. We are interested in 12. So we visually separate 12, right? Then add 1 and 2 together, and that is 3. That's the number that stays in the middle. 132. And that's how to multiply numbers by 11 without having to cram your times table. This will work for any 2-digit number as long as the addition of those 2-digit number is not up to 10. I don't want to bother you with the rest. All you need to know for now is from your 10 to 12. So let's see some examples. Let's try together. And this time around, I will do it with you because I want to be sure that you get it. So let's try again. 7 times 11. We're just going to be doubling 7. That's 77. 11 times 14. This time around, let's multiply it by 14. Let's see. So 14 is what we are multiplying by 11. We visually separate our 14. That's 1 and 4. Add them together. 4 plus 1 is what? It's 5. 154. So you can practice the ones I'll send to you in your quiz, and feel free to reply your emails and ask me any questions. and I'll be there to answer you. Alright, that's amazing. We have been able to get another one down. Let's see how many we've been able to get down and strike it out again. Our 11 times table is out, and any of these numbers multiplied by 11 is now out of your way. Wow, I'm so proud of you. You're doing great. Can you see another 23 down? Alright, so now I will send some other questions that you can practice with mommy or daddy or anybody at home. Just let them ask you so that you can practice over and over again and then master them. I will give you 2 days. So the next lesson will be 2 days after. You know I like surprises, right? So I'm going to be mixing the questions up because I don't want you to cram. I don't want you to have to start from to that as well if you want to remember anything. Any angle as it comes that you understand the logic and you are able to recall without stress. I'll see you 2 days after. Bye-bye.